Hi guys, so today I'm sharing with you another simple juice recipe, carrot and orange. I hope you like it and I hope you purpose to give this recipe a trial. If you do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and let's get started. And guys, you are only going to use oranges and carrots like you see on the video. As for the oranges, cut into halves, and the carrots, cut them into small pieces. Guys, you can blend the oranges, but I prefer to do it manually, but choose whatever works for you. And just squeezing the juice out like you see here, ensuring that I do that to all the oranges. And guys, the idea is to get as much juice from the oranges as possible, and this is what I got from the oranges that I used. Set that aside, and moving on, these are the carrots that I cut into smaller pieces. Just add 2 glasses of water or just enough water to blend the carrots. Just blend the carrots until most of the juice or all the juice has been extracted from the carrots pieces like you see on the video. Now go ahead and strain the orange juice. You do not have to do this step, especially if you like the fiber, but since I just wanted a smooth juice, I had to strain the fiber, but I did not throw it away. I used it to make a smoothie. And after straining, just set that aside, and now go ahead and strain the carrot juice as well. And again, as for the carrot fiber, you can use it to make smoothies and also for decoration, for garnishing purposes. Just squeezing it out to ensure that all the juice has been extracted. If you have a juicer, even better. Now go ahead and squeeze out the rest. And after mixing the juices, guys, this is what you get. I love the refreshing effect that this juice has on me. And guys, it is also loaded with vitamins, so give it a trial and bye bye.